Welcome to AFA Reaction Videos, where we react to everything theme park.
Hey, I'm Chris, and this is AFA Reaction Videos, and today is a special reaction video because this is part of our Society of Explorers and Adventurers. This was an event that took place there in Hong Kong, there on the Jungle River Cruise, and it was called The Curse of the Emerald Trinity. Yesterday, we talked about the former member, Professor Garret Reed. He was kicked out for grave robbing, and he was kicked out by Lord Henry Mystic, who is one of the members of the society. And this was an event, I think it only took place at night, but it actually showed the demise of Professor Garret Reed. Garret Reed was infatuated with finding these 3 emeralds that would bring immortality to you. And the whole entire legend says that a jungle cruise boat actually had come upon this while it was happening. So it was actually, how do I want to say it? It was actually viewed or, witnessed by people on the Jungle Cruise of what happened to Professor Garret Reed. So this video was done by Henry Qiu. Go check him out. It looks like he's got a lot of stuff over there that has to do about his life and everything, him vlogging what he does in his life. And this is obviously over there. So if you want to see this in full screen, go check it out over there. I put the subtitles up. I don't know how well they're going to translate because so far what I've seen, just a little bit, I don't exactly understand what's being said, but hopefully maybe something will kick up in it because it is all in Chinese because it is in Hong Kong. But I think we can get the gist of what is going on. So when we get to that part, but also remember, if you keep coming back for my content to watch this stuff and you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you know when I post a video. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. But what are we waiting for? Let's start reacting to Jungle River Cruise, Curse of the Emerald Trinity, there in Hong Kong Disneyland. So I can't wait. I think this is neat that they had something on that had to do with the demise of Professor Garret Reed. So here we go. First of all, someone who did grab the eye down, just see if anyone knew about the VAT rate. The rate is still shocked fish to jump here inside fishing. More strong already. Thought. You. Thought. All right. Of the national. So, I mean, I like how they've got all the different kinds of stuff going on. It looks like they got, like, stuff going up through the jungle. So, I meant, this looks amazing. So, I meant, look at him. I love, he's like he's scared. Oh, wow. Look at that. We got all kinds of lights and stuff showing like the place is kind of haunted or cursed. Excuse me. Yeah, I don't think the the words are actually adding up. It's not really making any sense. I have to know how to dose those. They are good morning. So, all right. So we got something going on up here. So it looks like jungle vines are moving around. So looking just through the jungle at night, I mean, this is awesome. I mean, they've made it dark and eerie. All right, I think we're coming up. And there, I think, is, yep, Professor Garret Reed is standing right there. Looks like he's in his camp. Oh, here goes a vine. So it looks like he got one of the emeralds. Here comes another vine. Oh, he's being attacked by the jungle. Wow. And he's being drugged down. Oh, they got the emerald. And there it was. So wow, he's got one of the emeralds in his hand. Oh no. So does this mean the jungle's going to come after them now? Oh, wow. Man, they got this all lit up so you can see over here. You see the tikis and everything like that. Oh, I didn't see them. They got native hunters over there. The translations aren't good on here. So it's as if the jungle is trying to grab the people on the jungle cruise. Wow. Oh, wow. The fire. So it's as if nature's coming alive and trying to grab them because of the emerald. So this is pretty neat because they've made this jungle cruise into almost like a scary event. So, wow. Really couldn't understand it. The translations were pretty bad. This was a big event that they did there in Hong Kong for the Jungle River Cruise. This was pretty cool. I love this. That they actually had where they showed the demise of Professor Garret Reed. Obviously, there was like a newspaper article, and I'll tell you what, I'll put the newspaper article in right here. And basically, I think they handed the stuff out during the event. But this was pretty cool to take something like this and actually put an overlay on the Jungle Cruise for something that was supposed to be part of the Society of Explorers and Adventurers, the demise of the former member, Professor Garret Reed. This was really neat. I liked how they did this. Obviously, if you don't know who Professor Garret Reed is, you can go back and watch yesterday's video where I do talk about him. I think I talked about him a little bit before in the very first one. There's a little bit talk about all of them. But this was awesome. I loved how they did this because they actually took the Jungle Cruise and turned it into almost like a thriller. And that's awesome. Adding something new to the Jungle Cruise instead of something being, funny with jokes and everything. They took it and they turned it into almost like a horror ride or something like that. But I love this. I just wish I could understand what he was saying because he sounded so intense and almost scared himself. And it was amazing. I thought the cast member did a great job on this, and just amazing. So remember, the video was done by Henry Qiu. His link will be in the top of the description. Also, I'll be putting a card up here, which will take you directly to his channel. But once again, this was awesome to be able to see part of this history of the Society of Explorers and Adventurers, to actually have a ride that dedicated itself to part of a story. I thought it was amazing. And if you didn't know, this took place back in 2015 is when they were doing this. I don't think they do it anymore. But I think that's going to be it. Thank you for reacting to the Jungle River Cruise, Curse of the Emerald Trinity with me. And I hope to catch you on the next AFA reaction videos and the next episode of the history of the Society of Explorers and Adventurers. So that's going to do it. Thank you. I hope you have a good day. We'll see you later.